So in this video, we're going to be discussing what is a good affiliate product to promote and what is a bad affiliate product to promote. There's variations that play a huge role into when I'm choosing an actual affiliate product that I want to promote. One being, how fast does the page actually load? Page speed of which the affiliate offer actually loads is tremendous. The attention span is very short for a human being. So when you're leaving from Facebook to your landing page to the actual affiliate product that you're promoting, page load speed is very important. Now another question you want to be asking yourself is, how well mobile optimized is it? Can I pull it up on my phone right here? Can I load this on my phone efficiently and the product look very salesy where I can actually go purchase this product? So that's another key point you want to look into. But I'm very excited to actually show you this because choosing an offer is very important. So in the beginning, you have to do as much research as you can on a product when you're choosing it. Questions you want to be asking yourself as you're looking for a good versus bad affiliate product. Is this product evergreen, which we just went over? Have I seen this brand before? Is this brand trusted? Because you want to make sure when you're choosing an affiliate product, let's just say I'm going to promote Red Tea Detox. I'm going to do some research on Red Tea Detox to make sure they're a trusted brand, that they're actually delivering the product that I'm actually going to be promoting. These are some small things you can actually do to start deciding on if this is a good product to move forward with. But let's dive right into the computer and I'm going to show you good affiliate products to promote and bad affiliate products to stay away from. So now this is going to be an important question you're going to ask yourself. What is a good offer? What is a bad offer? There's three variations I think about once I'm deciding on an offer I want to promote. One being, how fast does that page load? Is that user who's leaving Facebook or leaving Bing or whatever my traffic source is, when they leave and they go from our landing page to the affiliate offer, how long does that take that affiliate offer page to load? There's some offers that may have a fast landing page speed, some may have a slow. Ones with more content, videos, and blog advertorial, those typically take longer. And you know just as well as I do, put yourself in the customer's predicament. You want the landing pages to load as fast as possible. Not every landing page is going to load fast. So one tool I currently use is gtmatrix.com, and I'm going to show you an example right now. So once we go over to GTmatrix, I put an example. Right now I have all examples I'm going to run you through. So I put in an offer. This offer is called Secret Society. So let's talk about this landing page. So let's scroll down. So this landing page costs $97 to sign up. It's very straight to the point. I really like this ad copy. It grabs my attention. The landing page has a clear call to action. Doesn't seem too scammy. I like this limited spots only. That converts rather well. Now what you can do is you can always click play on the product, make sure the video loads, the video works, and the video is running properly. And then one thing you want to do too is look at the 30-day money-back guarantee. Right here it says it there. To me, that makes me feel more safe as a customer, so that makes it feel like more of a legitimate offer to promote. And this right here, everyone's scared of getting their computer hacked, information stolen, so these are just key elements to have on a landing page that make it more converting. So to me, this offer would be a good offer to promote. Now, but when we put this in the GT matrix, you see that the speed performance is a D rank. I really try to aim for loading page speed of at least a C. So D is something that you want to look into. Then we look here, page details, 21 seconds to load completely. Now, if you're doing Facebook ads like I'll be teaching you in the future modules, that is a very long time for a page to load. So if you're targeting on Facebook and you're not targeting a user who's not on Wi-Fi, this may be an issue when it comes to start making conversions, because if you're targeting mobile and someone's at 7-Eleven or Starbucks and they're browsing on their phone and they make it to our landing page, this is going to take a little bit to load if they don't have fast internet. So now let me give you an example of another offer. So right here, this is another make money online offer. So some things I like about this, it says Chicago, Illinois, which is fine. But now here's another red flag. This video looks like it's from 1970. This video looks very old, very unprofessional. And if we look right here, it just doesn't feel legitimate. It says everything right here is down here for the details. There's nothing else we can click on the page. Right there, nothing we can click. And now look right here. It's asking for a phone number. So what you want to do if you're promoting an offer that's a CPA and you're going to get paid anywhere from $30 to $125, aim to look for something that doesn't have this right here, asking for a phone number. When we go back to Secret Society and we scroll down, they're letting the user know how much they're going to purchase for, but they're only asking for the email. Now, as most people do, when you're coming from whatever traffic source, whether it's Facebook or Bing, you're going to think anything that says make money online is an automatic scam. So what you want to do is you want to eliminate that factor right from the beginning. So this offer has a better call to action for selling. Yes, mentor me, please. They put in their email, yes, mentor me, please. I really like that. Yes, mentor me, please is on the submit button. So then they collect your email. Now let's look back over to here. This is asking for a first name, an email address, and the phone. And then it's going to bring you to one more step to make you buy. So if you can, when you choose an offer and you're looking at it, try to go as far into the funnel as you can without buying, just to make sure you understand each step your customer has to take to make that purchase where you get paid. So now we can actually take this, we can copy this, and now we can come to GT Matrix. So now it's just going to take a little bit to load, analyzing our URL. So now it just finished loading our page. We see this page score is a C, 2.8 seconds. Now when we look back over to here, 21.5 seconds. D rank, and then we look back here. There is pros and cons. We see that this page here is loading 100% faster than the other page, but at the same token, put yourself in the user's perspective when they're coming to the offer. Does it look legitimate? Does it look scammy? How fast is a page load? Now, when you're thinking about these offers, the last question you want to ask yourself, how well does this offer look on mobile? Is this mobile optimized? So can I take my iPhone right here and my Android and pull it up on this device to make sure it will work for the traffic I'm using and it's mobile optimized? People buy with their iPhones and Androids every day. It's a huge market that you can target. So any offer you want to promote, let's just say you decide you want to promote a weight loss product. Pull the weight loss product up on your phone and make sure it loads correctly and everything looks good. So one thing you can do, so this is above all offers. We can actually look at the offer and it says right here on the description, mobile optimized. So that'll tell us when we pull it up on our phone, it's going to look pretty good on mobile. Now, sometimes it will say mobile optimized, but it won't look professional on your phone. Now, here's another landing page we can talk about. This is more of an advertorial landing page. And if we scroll down, if we look at this right bar, it's kind of hard. You won't be able to see it on the screen, but there's a ton of content on this page. But the whole entire goal of these advertorials is that you may see there's no links. You cannot click here or anywhere on the screen to buy. But they have an option for you to buy once you actually get down to the bottom. So the reason these companies do this is that they know that if they force the user to read the entire article, that there's going to be an increase for a sale. But not only just an increase for a sale, an increase for them to take the sale and also take the upsell. With the video sales letter, in order to purchase, some of them have requirements. For example, you may have to wait 10 minutes for the option for you to purchase to actually pop up on the screen. But with a long sales letter just like this, you can actually just scroll down to the bottom and then buy. So that's something you want to consider when you're looking at these advertorial long sales letter. Yes, you may be able to make a better sale, but it's always good to test. Look for a long sales letter and then a VSL. Me, I prefer VSL, video sales letter. I feel that they convert better overall. So now this product to me, it doesn't look scammy. It looks more legitimate. This looks a lot more professional. I really like this here. This information. They have disclaimers, long sales letter. They have Q&A at the bottom. So this is something I would consider to actually promote. Now here's another product, Body Dynamax. So fitness is important at any age. So when you're looking at these landing pages, start to think about who is your target audience within the ad copy. So we see this here. This is a older woman. She's probably roughly 55. And now this would be an ideal target market that we would target. So if I was going to use this product on Facebook, just by looking at the landing page of the actual offer, my target market would probably be women between the ages of 40 and 65. This would be a good target market for a product like this. So now let's just look at this. We see here they say 100% guaranteed or your money back. Makes me feel safe. This actually looks like a ClickFunnels landing page also. So now as we scroll down, we see an older gentleman there. And then what do we see here? We see a video now. Now these videos can help increase conversions overall. So don't look away from these. I would always split test these offers. So far I actually like this landing page. Very clean, very straightforward. It doesn't seem unrealistic. They're not promising false goals. You'll get 7 amazing workouts. So they're letting the customer know exactly what they're going to get once they purchase. This is beneficial too. And let's just scroll down a little bit more. Start today, $59.85. Order now. So this would be a good product to promote. Now, Clarity Cube. Now, this is something I would actually stay away from. These offers typically pay anywhere from $16 to $20. Why would I stay away from this? So in the previous video, we were discussing evergreen niches. This product, I wouldn't consider this an evergreen niche. It's more of an e-commerce product. E-commerce overall is evergreen, but this Clarity Cube is more of a niche market, a niche audience that we would be targeting. So something like this, the sales letter is good, and if you want, you can always test it, but this is a product that I would stay away from if I were you. I think this audience for this Clarity Cube is too small to be targeting in, and I would stay away from this type of offer. Let's just see what the order now looks like. So once they come here, first name, last name, email address, I see that they're pushing for the 3-pack Clarity Cube, 19 each. So this looks decent, this looks okay, but still, I would keep looking for another product. So now we're going to talk about car loans. This is another huge market that we can actually go into. So this is called First Choice Auto Loan, and then we have one more, Web2Cars. Both of these roughly pay $8 to $10. Now let's look at the differences. This is very short. This is the offer page. This is very short. One of them asks for used car or new car, and then one of them asks for date of birth. So the reason I would stay away from using this one is because used car and new car, these buttons to me, they don't feel like they register with me. Auto financing for any credit situation, I'm shopping for a used car or new car. What I would want to do if I was using an offer like this, you want to pre-frame the audience. So when they land on your landing page, what you could do is have your landing page say, we know right here on Web2Cars it says date of birth. Well, what we could do on the page before this, we could put enter in zip code. So then they enter in their zip code and then they come to this next step, date of birth. We can keep it a lot more consistent when using a form like this. Now, another key thing I don't like about this, it says get approved, which is fine, but I do not like that it says new car and used car. I would much rather prefer on a used car or on a car overall. I'm applying for a loan now. Put yourself in the customer situation. Right here, to me, seems a lot more legitimate. Up to 96% qualified applications are accepted. Date of birth. When I'm filling out applications for credit, this is what I used to see. They would ask me for the date of birth, and then I would follow the steps. So another offer, Everyday Family. This one's more of a family-friendly offer. Now, these offers typically pay anywhere from $2 to $4. Now this offer here, I would promote this. One, it's family friendly, it's evergreen, the market is huge. There's pregnant women, there's moms, there's family, nieces and nephews, everybody growing up. This would be a good product to promote. So things to consider when you're looking at this, your first name, your email address. I really wish on an offer like this, they didn't ask for the first name, they just asked for the email address, month and date and year. And to me, that would be perfectly fine. So overall, this would be a good offer that I would promote. It's very simple. It's not cluttered with over promises on the page. So this could be something you could test. Another offer, a sweepstake offer. $250 weekly cash giveaway, enter an email address. So these offers typically pay anywhere from $2 to $4, and now this is a sweepstake offer. With Facebook ads, these can be really risky to run sweepstake offers overall, and I'll dive more deep into that into the Facebook ad area to show you what's more compliant to run and what's something to stay away from. So sweepstakes are always a little bit more wary to run on Facebook. Facebook does not like that. So $250 giveaway, weekly cash giveaway, new winner every 7 days. It's making a lot of guarantees, but I really do enjoy this landing page. The copy is decent, play to win, it looks very convincing, it looks like it would load perfectly on mobile, and all we need is an email address so we can start to get paid. So remember, you have GT Matrix, put these in, put the offers in you want to promote. Let's just say you have 2 lottery offers you want to promote, or 2 car loan offers you want to promote. Put them into GT Matrix, check the loading page speed, start asking yourself these questions. How big is my market for this product that I want to promote? Is the offer scammy? Is the offer mobile optimized? Now another offer, rent-to-home listings. Real estate is a huge market to go into, so this to me would be more of a family-friendly offer that I would promote. Let's look at the top. It says right here, your area, Tuesdays, see rent-to-homes near. Let's just scroll down. So this is very straight to the point. These offers pay roughly $2 to $4. So now another offer. There's a lot of offers that pay you anywhere from $1 to $2.50, and they're called giveaway, sweepstakes, gift cards. They have them for Amazon, for Walmart, Visa cards. These offers, and they also have iPhone giveaways you'll start to see. So what I recommend is staying away from these offers. I've actually tested these offers, and they do not convert well for me. So this is something to me that I feel that there's a lot more scamminess going on in the industry with these offers. So if you can, stay away from these offers and tend not to promote them. So let's just do one final recap. Make sure the page loads. Check the speed. One page what we checked was 21 seconds. One was 3 seconds. But the 3-second page looked a lot more scammier than the 21-second page. For the video sales letter versus the long sales copy, I prefer the video sales letter. But when you choose a video sales letter, as an example, Secret Society, you want to know when you're using a video sales letter, how long does it take that call to action to actually buy the product take to show up? So this one's probably these are typically anywhere from 5 to 25 minutes. So they're pretty much putting your user through an entire webinar. So make sure you don't want to go over 10 minutes on a video sales letter. So look for products that after 10 minutes of the video shows, the option to buy actually pops up. Long sales form. This is something that you would actually want to test. So ask yourself those 3 questions: evergreen, page load speed, and congrats on looking into these offers. I'm excited for you guys. So keep taking action, and I'll see you in the next video.